In Ephesians 2, Paul sums up the gospel in this way. Because of God's great love for us, he sent Christ Jesus to give us new life and to create a new reconciled humanity. But oftentimes we focus on that first part, that I've been reconciled to God and given new life. And we neglect the second, that Jesus came to reconcile all of humanity. But it's important to understand that Jesus came to tear down all the barriers that stand in the way between us and God and between us and others. Ephesians 2:14 says that Jesus himself is our peace, who has made the two one and has destroyed the barrier, the dividing wall of hostility. When Paul spoke of that dividing wall, his original audience would have called to mind the thick wall in the temple that separated the Jewish worshipers from the Gentiles. They might have pictured the signs that were posted all around that wall, letting the Gentiles know that they were unwelcome on the other side, and that if they approached, they would be killed. You see, racism is nothing new. It's been present since shortly after that story of creation and the fall. But that was never the way that God intended people to live. And he sent Jesus to destroy those barriers, along with any others that might separate us from him and from each other. My friends, Jesus came as a peacemaker. He came to restore his broken world. But sometimes, even those of us who claim to follow that ultimate peacemaker participate in building up, or at least supporting, some of those dividing walls of hostility that he tore down. What are the dividing walls of hostility that you are holding up? What would it look like for you to begin to tear those walls down?